This is the Management Information Systems project presented by Group 31.
IKEA, or Ingvar Kamprad Enterid and Gunnerid, is the world's largest furniture retailer. IKEA was founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad in Sweden, and the acronym of the company stands for the founder's name, surname, where he grew up, and his own parish. The IKEA concept is to provide functional, well-designed furniture at prices so low that as many people as possible will be able to afford them, creating a better life for the many people. IKEA is the world's most successful mass-market retailer, selling Scandinavian-style home furnishings and other house goods in 230 stores in 33 countries and hosting 410 million shoppers per year. With revenues reaching 23.1 billion euros in 2009 and 127,000 employees globally, IKEA keeps on growing. IKEA's business model is concentrated around business-to-business and business-to-customer selling functions.
SWOT analysis. Strengths. IKEA have a strong, internationally known brand, and IKEA's business model is unique or little direct competition on a like-for-like basis. Weaknesses. While IKEA is an international brand, there is a high level of reliance on European markets, and although the model promotes low prices, it has been identified that there is an associated low level of customer service. Opportunities. IKEA are moving from international to global status through the development of Asia and Eastern European markets. Furthermore, traditional product for IKEA has been within value, low price and high volume products. However, the movement into mid and higher price points will see an opportunity to move the demographic base with less reliance on a limited demographic group. Threats. Within growing competitive retail markets, mainstream retailers are beginning to copy IKEA's model, which is a threat to IKEA. Furthermore, with economic concerns over rising living costs and depleting disposable income, there is an overall threat to the performance of the business in the UK and American markets, respectively.
It can be seen today with the rapid growth of the global economy and the increased competition in the world that all companies are trying to deliver their products at the lowest price and at high quality. At the same time, all businesses should have a view to profit. This can be meant by reducing waste and introducing new technology, such as information systems. The function of information systems has become very important in today's business operations. IKEA currently utilizes two types of e-commerce. The first one is a buy-side system, which is used in order to continue the transactions with its suppliers. This is known as business-to-business model. Subsequently, IKEA uses the business-to-business model so as to integrate with its suppliers for visibility, transparency, and to exchange real-time information. From the supplier side, as all the information is provided online, internet access to computer is required. As a result, it reduced the workload of the internal administrative operations for IKEA as well as for its suppliers. Due to IKEA Supplier System, ECIS, the company has the ability to trade information with suppliers such as information, transport booking, sending order information, and invoices. This generally is referred to as Electronic Data Interchange, or EDI, while the company and its providers can exchange business information in a standardized electronic form. Furthermore, a database is used with IKEA's Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, information system in order to keep all this type of information. The second one is a sell-side system, where the operations between the company and its customers are taking place. This is called business-to-customer model, where the organization sells to individual customers. As the products of IKEA can be ordered online, the company provides computer-aided design, CAD software, applications for its customer, with the purpose of enhancing their fantasy with products that are interested in and plan how the product could fit in their environment. Furthermore, as the ERP system allows customers to proceed their transactions online, it helps them to check through their database if the items that they wish to purchase are in stock. Accordingly, since IKEA has started utilizing information systems in its business operations process, it can clearly be seen that using an appropriate information system will result positively in the company in different ways. It has assisted the company in easing the information flow as well as increasing the company's competitive advantage.
Since the number of alternatives to be considered for shopping online constantly increases, the decisions are more complex and much time-consuming. IKEA uses lexicographic elimination, which is based on selecting the top alternative based on each attribute, as well as elimination by aspect, or EBA, which eliminates the alternatives based on attribute. Also, there are plenty of subcategories which eliminate the variation of products. IKEA Spot Anna. In 2004, IKEA introduced the world to Ask Anna, a web bot designed to address customer service issues through IKEA's website. Anna is programmed to help guide the site visitor through the site by serving relevant web pages based on the questions asked by the site visitors. IKEA's Anna reportedly speaks 10 different languages and can answer questions posed by customers. Web bots or lingo bots such as Anna can reduce phone calls, emails and other customer service contacts by up to 50%. By using natural language and learning by experience, Anna is able to better respond to customer service requests and demands and respond accordingly. 24/7 online support. IKEA's website provides 24/7 online support for customers via email or online chat with an authorized employee. Authentication. In the website there is an authentication statement where all the rights of IKEA are reserved and there are detailed explanations about the customer and shopping policies. Shopping online frequently asked questions forum, where all common questions about shopping online are answered in a simple and easy to understand way in order for all customers to be sure about the security and the features of the website.
In the ER diagram, we begin from the customer whose attributes are customer ID, customer name, customer address, as well as payment details. The primary key in this case is the customer ID. The customer can place several orders and the attributes consist of order ID, order date and order value. The primary key of this order is order ID. The foreign key is going to be customer ID. From there we go to delivery through a one-to-one connection. The attributes of delivery are delivery ID and delivery date. The primary key is delivery ID and the foreign key is order ID. We then proceed to item through a one-to-one connection and its attributes are item ID and its attribute is item ID, which is also the primary key, and the foreign key is order ID. We then proceed to the product entity, which is connected to item for a one-to-one connection because each item consists of one product. Product has several attributes: product ID, product name, product color, and product series. The primary key is product ID, and the foreign key is item ID. Furthermore, we then proceed through a many-to-many connection to the warehouse, because every product is stored in the warehouse, and it is shipped to the delivery company from there. This entity includes as attributes warehouse code and warehouse location. Its primary key is warehouse code, and its foreign key is product ID. After that, we finally proceed to the employee entity. The employee ensures that the process is carried out properly throughout. Employee includes employee ID, employee name, and employee details.
For the first query, we decided to isolate the payment method and we chose to search for the Visa payment method. And this is reflected on the screenshot below. For the second query, we decided to look for the Lurbugs product series. So we isolated and put it as a criteria on access, and this is reflected on the screenshot from the website below. For our third query, we decided to look for all the products that are of white color. So we put this as a criteria on access, and this is illustrated in the form of a picture taken from the website below. IKEA's website is well designed and well organized, although it has some minor issues which, if they were dealt with, would make the customer experience even more pleasant. JavaScript makes the website load slowly when one has a slow internet connection, which sometimes can be a problem. Thus, there should be a choice to view the website in a different, more simple way. An alternative version of the website that would offer a more complete experience to customers with slow internet connections. Another recommendation would be to make the product categorization slightly clearer, because sometimes it can get confusing. Moreover, at several occasions, the website can lag, which is a nuisance for customers, so IKEA have to fix the possible errors on the website. Furthermore, the case can be that the product information is not displayed while it should be, and perhaps some customers might be discouraged to go through with their purchase. A major extra feature that IKEA's website should include is advanced search, which at the moment it lacks. Through the creation of an advanced search feature, the website will enable customers to search for products in a more efficient and effective way. IKEA's website is a prime example of a well-designed website that offers many choices for its customers and enables them to browse through a vast list of items. Should the aforementioned improvements take place, the overall customer experience will be further perfected.